Today the team and I are going to show you 3 popular methods for preparing a timber floor for tiling and show you why NC Nikobond plastic ply is the best solution for your customer. In our demonstration we have 3 identical showroom bays that represent a typical first floor domestic bathroom, including a quadrant shower tray, boxed in soil stack and copper pipe for cold and hot water feeds for taps or radiators. Each bay is going to be prepared for tiling using 3 commonly used systems: HardieBacker, Ditramat and Nikobond plastic ply. The install of all 3 bays will be recorded in real time and fitted by 3 of our colleagues from the build team. Each system will be fitted according to the manufacturer's installation instructions, freely available online. Obviously this will take some time, so most of the recording will be played back at a super fast speed. Firstly, let's look at the materials needed for each install. Here we have HardieBacker from James Hardie. HardieBacker for floor application is a 6mm cement fibre board in sheet sizes of 1200 by 800 mm. It is a rigid board with a high compressive strength, but at 6mm thick it is quite brittle and can be damaged or broken in transit. But once in situ it is a suitable system for reinforcing timber floors. The weight of all of these products together is 66 kilos and the cost for this size of room is £99. Next we have Ditra 25 decoupling mat from Schluter. This product has been in the marketplace for some time and quite often used by tilers when tiling a timber floor, even though the mat does not offer any resistance to deflection in a timber floor. Being a decoupling system, this membrane is designed for use on substrates that expand and contract laterally. It is adhered to the substrate with a flexible cement-based adhesive and tiles fixed on top with more flexible adhesive. If the substrate expands or contracts, the membrane stretches, leaving the tiles and grout on top intact. In essence, Ditra 25 has no tensile or compressive strength, as by its nature it is designed to fail. The products needed for this system weigh 22 kilos and the cost of materials for this room is £92. Lastly, we have our own product, Nikobond plastic ply. Plastic ply was launched in 2008, so has been in the marketplace now for 14 years. It is an innovative, award-winning product that is designed to reinforce timber floors by utilising the tensile strength of the pressure-sensitive self-adhesive backing and the plastic grid, combined with the compressive strength of the cement adhesive and timber floor, resulting in a composite laminated system just 2mm thick. Being lightweight, compact and with no adhesive needed, the weight of this product is only 4.5 kilos and the cost for this room size is £79. In terms of price, there's not much in it, plastic ply being the most competitive option for materials at 10 to 20% cheaper. In terms of time and effort, getting the materials into the room on a first floor, considering a safe one-man lift is 20 kilos or less, the HardieBacker system is at least 4 trips up and down stairs. The Ditra 25 system should be 2, but I'm sure some fixers would do this in 1. At 4.5 kilos, 15 times lighter than the Hardie system and nearly 5 times lighter than the Ditra system, the plastic ply is a very inviting option. All 3 manufacturers state in their fixing instructions that the timber floor must be suitable for tiling. In all 3 cases, this means that the floor must be structurally sound, rigid and stable, with a joist assembly capable of supporting additional load without flexing, with a flat surface finish that is not damaged in any way and fastened with closely spaced screws. Sam, who's fixing the HardieBacker, needs to cut all of the boards to fit the room. So when preparing a timber floor ready for tiling, we can clearly see that plastic ply has significant advantages. It's more cost effective, lighter to move, No cement-based adhesive needed to fix in place, no power tools needed for cutting, no dust or mess created, and a room can be ready for tiling in under 15 minutes.